Woo, did you hear that, Rabbi? They were shouting your name.
They were screaming Hosanna.
Jerusalem felt it today. You don't walk into a city like that unless you're taking the entire city.
It finally feels like the waiting is over. Right, Rabbi?
Hear me. The Son of Man must suffer and be lifted up.
Lifted like a banner, like victory.
Of course. A Messiah isn't supposed to die.
Yeah.
No. The world doesn't need a militant ruler. It needs a spotless lamb for sacrifice. I'll go ahead a bit.
What? Okay. He must be speaking in riddles again.
Of course. We'll finally conquer Rome.
Yeah.
Come on, James. You, little faith. With Jesus, we can conquer the entire world.
Ooh, let's go.
Just room.
The crowds were singing his name loud all over the market and streets. Every single step that he takes now, I'll walk the same path as he.
He healed the broken and sickly. He showed his authority. We left our old ways, we left our lives, believing that hope had arrived.
At last.
But then you spoke of suffering. Never seen such serious eyes.
He stopped our conversations. Speaks of a day he'll die. Why does he talk of the cross when all the crowds are singing his name? Why does he speak of sorrow when he has power to reign? We see a kingdom coming, but he keeps pointing to the day, and the word on his lips is the cross. I don't understand. Thrones in the kingdom, we're chasing the highest seat.
The highest seat.
Mothers are planning our future, hoping that Jesus agrees.
But he said
That he'll be handed over, struck, crushed, betrayed.
talks about blood all over.
But we don't understand. Why does he talk of the cross when all the crowds are singing his name? Why does he speak of sorrow when he has power to reign? We see a kingdom coming, but he keeps pointing to the day, and the word on his lips is the cross.
Oh, they still lack understanding. They still don't know the cost. Why I must lay my life down. There has to be a cross.
Why does he talk of the cross when all the crowds are singing his name? Why does he speak of sorrow when he has power